Alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be directing you on how to set up Key Tunnel Lite VPN application in all countries and all networks. So, I request you, I beg you, just help us and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Help us and like this video so that it can move and reach on in all countries where it is needed. So, as usual at my Tech YouTube channel, we first confirm the VPN application, whether it's on Google Play Store, so that anyone can be accessing this VPN application. So these tutorials are purposely for education purposes only, so we are not responsible for any harm caused. We are going to search the VPN application Key Tunnel Lite VPN application, and we install this VPN application. It will be looking like this from MD Sawon. So after installing this VPN application, ensure to open it, and if you are done opening the VPN application, it will be looking like this. You are free to join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates, or leave and don't join. And after, you're going to come right here where you have the update right here, so that we can update and wait for a few moments to check, so that the VPN application can be checking for the servers until we see such a kind of message that we have no updates. So we're going to come right here where you have the auto select server, and then you're going to choose a server that is near to our location. But I recommend my subscribers, my viewers, to keep up with the auto select server, so that the VPN application can be choosing itself a server that is near to its location. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to come right here where we have Wi-Fi and data. So after coming there, we're going to come right here where we have all networks, and then this is what we are going to do. We're going to choose to go where we search from, and we search UDP. But we have two servers we're going to be setting. We have that server which is all country UDP. We also have the Victory server right here. It works in all countries, but those in Uganda, I recommend you to buy Learn from Home on Airtel Uganda, because right now MTN is no longer working. But keep up with the Airtel Learn from Home bundles. If you buy a Learn from Home bundle, come and click here, you'll be able to be connecting on this server. If it doesn't work, make sure to choose the Learn from Home server in Airtel Uganda. Those in other countries can be choosing that one, and can be pressing the connect button, and after, the VPN application will be connected successfully. I sign out.